Fit the rubber seals into the front trafficators during the installation procedure. Slide on the trafficator shells and tighten them. Plug in the connection cables. Insert the reflectors. Fasten the lenses. Apply the stickers to the telescopic fork sliders. Pre-mount the license plate holder. Install the eyelet with the thick section facing the mudguard and insert a distance sleeve into this eyelet. Guide the rear lamp cables through the trafficator support bore. Connect the brown earth cable to the trafficator terminal. Guide the cable through the license plate holder. Place the license plate holder on the trafficator support and screw both parts together. Mount the pre-assembled license plate holder with washers to the mudguard. Fasten the cables by means of clamps and cable strips to the frame. Plug the cables to the related terminal boards. Consult the wiring diagram and color code. Connect the brown cable to the earth terminal. Mount the dual seat. Tighten the dual seat together with the handle grip to the frame. Check the most important screwed connections for absolute tightness. The battery should be topped up with electrolyte and, if necessary, recharged. Observe the battery terminal's polarity when connecting the battery. Slip on the battery vent hose. Finally, check the lighting and signaling systems. Remove the plastic foil from the labyrinth plug. Check the gear oil level by means of the gear oil level check screw. Make sure gear oil is discharged. The fuel tank sticker contains, among other information, the correct tire pressures. Check the tire pressures by means of a gauge and re-inflate if necessary. Examine the brake fluid level in the master brake cylinder reservoir. Top up if necessary. Carry out a functional test of the brake systems. Consult the instruction label on the lubrication oil tank prior to activating the engine lubrication system. Top up the oil tank with 1.3 liters of premium 2-stroke oil. Slacken the vent screw on the oil pump by means of a crosshead screwdriver to air bleed the oil pump. As soon as bubble-free engine oil is discharged, tighten the air bleed screw. Exclusively for the first test ride, use approximately 2 liters of petrol oil with a 50:1 mixing ratio. Normally the engine runs on petrol only. Carry out an approximately 5-kilometer test drive. Apply the brake systems to check for correct function. After the test ride, check the idle speed of approximately 1,200 revolutions per minute. A possibly necessary fine setting is made by means of the bypass air screw at the carburetor. Adjust the oil pump. Set the twist grip to achieve 1,300 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, and set the oil pump cable adjuster so that both markings on the oil pump coincide. MZ motorcycle assembly and pre-sales instructions, as shown in this video film, aim to provide our mutual customers with correctly inspected motorcycles on which each new owner can rely from the very start. Happy motoring with MZ.